Joke of the day. So did you guys hear about the new restaurant called Karma? There's no menu actually, you just get what you deserve.
This is it.
Is it? Good up, man.
Oh, unboxing the Oculus Rift.
So
whoa. Wow.
Sweet, man.
We're going to be using the VR Oculus Rift so that we can see all of our content in 3D. Receptacle heights, device heights,
Right.
things like that.
Gotcha. Sitting here waiting at a red light, this van decided to go around me to turn right because I'm going straight. Do you know this person? Oh, there goes Donaway! Oh shit! There he goes. So this is kind of goofy. I have to shower at work and we lost power. So in
2009, I decided to be, what's this?
Sleep. Eric, let her rip! Ooh! Oh! 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 Yahtzee! Oh yeah, it's weekend time. Probably gonna have a beer. Having a lot of fun with Musically. I'm gonna be posting probably a bunch of random shit that's really dumb.
You think I'm coming back? Don't hold your breath. I ain't your mister, no. Cause I'm breaking up with you. Should've hooked up with you.
I'm not saying that everybody who's listening is gonna go make a Billy, or Billy, tens of millions. I wanna make billions.
Well, back home. I guess it's about 9 o'clock now. We have Airbnb guests. Celeste figured out that they just got out of prison. So we'll see how that goes.